of you that have been asking me, what do you use for? I don't want to mention the name here. So what do you use when you don't want to carry belle? Can put it like this so that in the white I got water in there. So I want to tell it to read me. Hannah, what do you use? This is what I use. Sit tight, let me show you the process. So guys, in today's video, I want to show the things I use for my family planning. This is Uziza. This is Prekese leaf stick. This is cinnamon stick. This is garlic, and this is cloves. Look at it very well, cloves. This is Ovuru. I actually don't know the English name, but it's called Ovuru. This one you can ask for the name in wherever they sell all this kind of stuff. Pepper soup spices. I don't know the name. Actually, it's a Yoruba name. This is dried Uziza seed. Dried Uziza seed. This is Oda. We are all familiar with this. Oda. All this is I use in making pepper soup when someone just puts to bed in Igbo land. So now what I will do is I'll soak them all in hot drink. I'll soak all of them in hot drink. I'll have to pieces all this, of which I'll still show you the process. You pieces them, soak it in hot drink. After 3 days, you are good to go. So sit tight, let me show you how I did it. I'll transfer all this into a bowl and get it ready to wash. So, this one. So in this bowl now, I have all those things I told you, and then pieces all this in a way. So I'll definitely add. So I'll wash with salt to be sure it's clean enough for me to cold water and wash it properly. You can also add salt or vinegar or lemon. I will add salt so it can be properly washed to avoid, taking in bacteria and all that. I wash it 2 to 3 times, and until I see that the water is very clean. Please don't wash it. Make sure you actually take your time to take off, to scrape the back. This is back of tree. Of course, it has accumulated so much dust already, and where it was. See how dirty my hand is. So I take my time. Even use sponge. Let me use sponge now to wash this properly. You can use the bigger can, you can use the smaller can, depending on the available one at that moment. So this is big. I will still have to cut it a little more smaller size in order to fit it. So I'm not transferring the mixture of the herbs into this rubber. You can use any hot drink of your choice or anyone you can find in your location, but here I'm using particular snap. The only thing I'll do is to get it transferred into this rubber. This works like magic. It works for me, especially when I take it first thing in the morning or last thing at night. I hope it will also work on your own system. Do you think it's worth trying? Would you be trying it? Tell me in the comment section. I'll appreciate that. Okay. It's covered, so it can soak well. Okay. After 3 days, that's when I start taking it. And once the drink goes down, as you are taking, you can be refilling it. And once you refill, make sure you take it out. You start taking it after 3 days. By then, it would have fermented very well.